Are you looking for the best respirator mask in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best respirator masks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Breath Buddy Respirator Mask Plus Safety Glasses. The Breath Buddy Respirator Mask is one of the most popular products on Amazon in this category. Unlike most of the manufacturers in this industry, Minor Miracle Home Solutions has put some effort into branding this mask to DIYers. This product is a much more appealing product to consumers because it has a playful name and is made simple for people that don't work in contaminated air environments for a living. Having said that, it's just as effective as the more industrial applications we've featured on this list. Some of the Breath Buddy's features include a cool air valve that stops your mouth and nose area from overheating inside the mask. Anyone that's had to wear a respirator mask for an extended period of time will know how important this is. It comes with 2 P2 white filters that block 94% of airborne particles. This makes it suitable for use in low to average toxicity contaminants up to 12x OL or 10x AF. In layman's terms, that means it's more than enough protection for the majority of DIY tasks. Up next in the 4th place is the 3M65E21 Hot 1C Household Multi-Purpose Respirator Mask. The design of any product meant to keep you safe and adequately protected has to be incredibly balanced. Its design must also meet all the necessary safety requirements listed by the various safety organizations within the state it has been designed. For respirator masks, there's so much detail that goes into their construction, primarily because they are meant to keep us safe from toxic substances in our homes or workplaces. Our 3rd pollution mask is a full-face respirator and also a multipurpose unit that is suited for both home and work. With the 3M Multipurpose Respirator Handy, you can ensure a well-designed household full-face mask made for all your odd jobs around your home. Full-face respirator masks are often made to surround the entire head, and when you breathe, a negative pressure is created in the mask, allowing air to pass through the mask disc, which ultimately prevents the fogging of the mask. When exhaling, the exhalation valve is opened and the air is forced outwards. The multi-purpose respirator enables the smooth flow of air and features a well-balanced design that makes it suitable for specific non-harmful vapor and sprays from substances such as stains, pesticides, sealants, varnish coatings, and other odor reduction. It keeps you protected, but doesn't compromise on visibility. This is ensured via the swept-back design of this mask's cartridges. The nature of the cartridges doesn't only make it possible for you to see what you're working on. It also offers you comfort you cannot experience with any other mask. The 3rd product on our list is the North Safety 7703L 7700 Series Half Mask Respirator. Common dangers exist in environments that are mostly heavy-duty. For example, the cleaning of tanks, where chemical substances, dust, or microorganisms arise. Hence why the use of a respirator mask is essential. It is, therefore, advisable to opt for a mask that offers well-needed protection, such as the North Safety Half Mask Respirator, an affordable paint respirator, and one of the safest respirator masks being reviewed today. This mask features an excellent performance with the highest level of quality at the lowest price for a variety of users. It is a half mask manufactured from the most excellent grade of silicone and comes as a single entity once a purchase has been made. The silicone used in the development of this superb mask is soft and non-allergenic, making this mask ideal for all faces and all skin types, no matter how sensitive. The North Safety mask uses its silicone seal to offer customers a comfortable fit and maximum protection. The cover fits in a manner that doesn't allow any toxic substance to seep in through the mask and into your system. Generally, this mask features a low-profile design to enable workers who use it during work hours to see everything that they're working on. It delivers a full field of vision to ensure that it doesn't interfere with your protective eyewear and the work you're doing. The cartridge required for the entire operation of this mask is sold separately from the hood, which is sold as a single entity as stated earlier. Second on our list is the 3M Safety 142/15/303 half Facepiece respirator. Our team has presented yet another great half mask respirator from the 3M family. It is the 3M half Facepiece Respirator Mask, a disposable mask assembly built to keep you protected from acid gas, organic, and other harmful substances. Disposable in nature, this product isn't meant to be used for an extended period. The 3M half-piece respirator is a convenient 3M mask well suited for a variety of applications, which include petrochemical, pharmaceutical, aluminum reduction, utilities, laboratories, chemical manufacturing, as well as pulp and paper. This intermittent respirator mask is made from advanced silicone, a material that delivers both comfort and durability to users. It makes use of a cool flow valve feature, included in the design to help make the process of breathing more comfortable. For either the standard or drop-down mode, the 3M half-piece respirator mask features a dual-mode head harness that is easily adjustable for your ultimate comfort. To reduce fogging, this respirator mask features an exhalation valve cover that directs exhaled breath and moisture downward. Finally, the top product on our list is the 3M 8511 N95 Cool Flow Valve Particulate Respirator. Like other N95 masks, the 3M 8511 N95 Cool Flow Valve Particulate Respirator is certified to filter out 95% of harmful particulate matter. Thanks to increased production, it's widely available online and in stores. In our testing, it stood out as the most comfortable respirator mask for long term, where, as its design gave us space to breathe and had edges that didn't push against our cheeks. It sealed well against a wide range of face shapes and sizes among our testers, who ranged from 5'3" to 6'1" with light to heavy builds. Whereas other disposable respirators have loosely stapled rubber bands for straps, the 3M 8511 has sturdier, woven straps that are less likely to snap or to catch in your hair. They are latex-free, according to 3M. The exhalation valve works as a dehumidifier, keeping your face cooler and lessening the chance of fogging up glasses. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.